Borden, let's fucking go, man. I've been waiting here for fucking ever. Fucking always takes... Where'd this come from? Probably won't mind if I have a little bit of a drink here. Makes him fucking easier to deal with, that's for sure. Oh. I feel fucking... Oh, what the fuck is going on? Borden! What the fuck is going on?
Welcome to Up at Night Crafts with Borden and...
Not this fucking shit again.
And...
You untie me right fucking now. I'm Tony.
Great, let's get the show started.
At least unfucking tie me.
Where did I put that knife? Thank you. We're gonna have a nice craft special if I let you out of here. I don't want no bitching. I don't want no chewing.
Fine.
There you go.
Fucking... Who taught you how to fucking tie these ropes, man? Fucking...
Mr. Harrison, you live down the block.
Oh my god.
He was really nice.
That explains a lot, actually.
He likes swimming.
I bet he did.
Tony and I at Up at Night Podcast are going to show you how to make the perfect gaming PC step by step. We're going to start with every single part, and we're going to show you exactly how to build yourself a gaming PC.
The fuck do you know about building PCs?
I read it. What'd I tell you? Do you want to get tied up again?
No. Let's do this.
All right. Now, there's going to be some safety concerns. First off, you don't want to lose any small pieces. If you got kids or animals nearby, they might swallow them. I suggest getting a small container to put the pieces in with things such as screws, little nuts and bolts, things like that. Keep them safe. Keep them in a container. You do not want to lose them. I fucking hate you. All right. Our second safety concern. Make sure your hands are clean. You don't want to get greasy fingers on any of the components inside the PC. Very crucial. Dude, where the fuck?
Good call. Greasy hands.
Greasy hands.
Right.
Good point. See, here at Up at Night, we don't have a sink because I didn't pay the water bill. But anyways, we'll get on with that. And our third and last safety concern is you need to keep yourself grounded. Any electrical current coming from yourself or anywhere else could damage the components. So, you know when you walk across your carpet with socks on, you get staticky. Don't touch your parts with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to ground myself. Typically, you want to connect yourself to something metal. I don't have metal readily available, so what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to connect myself to the household power supply. So if I can just demonstrate here. Oh, fuck. Oh. 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 Oh, okay. Anyway, folks, I think I'm pretty much grounded there. No electric current in me anymore. Whew. Will you quit fucking sketching out? I just got electrocuted. That's all that happened.
You didn't see that?
To start this build, we're gonna show off the components we will be using. Say something nice about it.
I don't. What do you fucking want
Just
me to...
fucking say it! In your sexy voice!
What you have here is the Cooler Master case. As you can see, each side opens for easy access to all of your computer parts. It holds many computer parts and has easy sliding access for computer parts, as you can see.
Alright, now we have our tower. This is the container that's going to hold all of our PC parts.
Will it hold the computer parts?
Probably.
Good.
Now, what we're going to put in first is the motherboard. And the motherboard is the central station where everything's going to connect to.
It's a good place to start.
So right here we have our motherboard.
That looks like a baking sheet to
You
me.
fuck right off. It's a Z87 Sabertooth. It supports i7 377.
All right. It's a saber tooth tiger. All right, you got it.
You want to take it. Okay? You have your motherboard. We want to set it on top for now. Usually you'd set it on your table, but for now we need to get the CPU in. Now, we're going to grab our CPU. Did you bring the CPU?
I thought you had the CPU.
Now we have the CPU cooler. I went with a liquid cooling unit. It lets me get a little bit cooler temperatures. This one's by Thermaltake. It should work great. So we're just going to put this in. Perfect. Right here, I have 2 sticks of 8 gigabyte DDR RAM. Yeah. So we're going to put it in. You want to make sure the connection's tight. So I found myself a piece of duct tape. Just one. Don't you fucking go to putting 2.
Well, I mean, you need one so it connects. It bridges.
It bridges. This is what's called an SLI bridge.
Yeah.
All right. Now that you have all your components installed, I'm just going to take another look around, make sure all my fans are functioning, every connection is in solid. So I'm just going to use this knife. For fuck's sakes, this fan. Fuck. Fuck. Oh. Fuck. Oh. Ha. That was fucking deep. I don't know if I can do this. Oh. Okay. All right. You want to make sure all your components are tightly in the case. You want to make sure that your fans have flow, they can run, everything's facing the right direction. So we're going to go in and we're going to make sure that it's in there. Moving around. Ow! Son of a... Lastly, we want to put in our graphics card. And for this build, we got ourselves a GTX 1080. That's fucking right.
Rad.
You ain't gaming unless you're on a 1080. So let's put that bad boy in here.
It's gonna make Minecraft look so fucking good.
Literally, all of your Minecraft processing power comes from your graphics card. Literally 100%. 100% of it. Yeah.
100% true.
Mm-hmm. Lastly, we're gonna need power supply.
Didn't you say lastly last time?
Lastly, last time. Now, we're gonna need power supply.
I fucking hate you.
You know what?
Just build the fucking computer.
Okay. This is how we're going to power this bad boy. Some good old Monster Energy drink. Now we hope for the best.
What the
My hand.
fuck?
I fucking told you. I fucking told you I could build a computer. Look at this thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching Up at Night today. I hope you liked the video. And if you have any future suggestions, please remember to comment. We always read them. Like the video, share the video to friends, and grab a subscription if you already haven't. Take it easy, guys.
That was pretty fucking, that was gross.
Ooh, I got a kiss from Tony before Barton did.
Cool, I wasn't like online.